Hello, my name is Brendan. This is my week 6 final project, part 2 for CSE341. This week I added the projects and departments collections. The application is deployed on Render and the API documentation is available at the /API docs route. And we're going to switch over here to Swagger. As you can see, we have contacts, companies, projects, and departments. The application has 4 collections. Each collection supports get by ID, post, put, and delete operations. And we're going to go to projects here. We're just going to do get. Give it a quick execute. Got the 200. Then we're going to go to post. Actually, we're going to go ahead and change that just real quick. Sorry, one quick thing. Had this one earlier. There we go. And it's authentication required. The post and put routes for projects and departments are protected. When I'm not authenticated, the application returns a 401 authentication error. And then come over here. I'm already signed in. I implemented Google OAuth using Passport. After authenticating, the application creates an authenticated session. Then there we go. And now we're pulling up the 201. Now that I'm authenticated, the protected post request succeeds with a 201 status code and creates the documents in MongoDB. And then we're going to just minimize that real quick and come down here. I am recording this late at night and brain functionality is not very good right now. And there we go. Running get again shows that the new project was actually saved to the database, as you can see. And then we're just going to go down here to put. Boom, boom. We're actually gonna redo that one. Like that, put that. Boom. Then we're gonna come down here. We're going to do this, throw in some bad data, and 400 it out. Post and put endpoints contain data validation. Invalid input returns a 400 response instead of being written to the database. And then we're going to pull up, I just want to minimize that. Pull up my VS Code. maximize that real quick. Then we're going to be going down middleware, so I'll just make life easy for myself. Project validation. There we go. There's some validation for the projects and then department validation. And then we're going to go to routes. Once again, projects and departments. There's the validations. Both post and put use the validation middleware, and the projects and departments post and put routes also use the authentication middleware, as you can see. And then coming down here to tests, starting at the top, companies, contacts, departments, and projects. And pull that up. And then we're just going to do test real quick. While that's loading, I created a unit test file for each collection. The test covers both get all and get by ID. All 4 test suites and all 8 tests are currently passing, as you can see. Yay. And then go back to GitHub. And now we're just going to pull controllers real fast. Got the controller code again. And we're just going to come back right here. There's no, as you can see with the controllers, middleware, there's no .env present. The project is also published in GitHub. Sensitive configuration values such as the MongoDB URL, OAuth, the client secret, and session secret are stored as environmental variables and are not committed to the repository. And we're going to go back to Swagger real quick. Just because it's pretty colors. That completes my week 6 project update. The application is deployed on render, provides CRUD operations for all 4 collections, includes validation and OAuth protection routes, and all 8 endpoint tests are passing. Thank you, and have a good day.